The opening hours setup is a feature in PrintVis that is extremely important when maintaining or changing certain times that a job or department is available during the day. To navigate to the opening hours setup, we can go from the role center to the top right and type opening hour setup. We'll be taken to this page here. This is the opening hours setup. Here, starting from left to right, we have the week number, weekday, date, description, default calendar, and to the right, we can see every department that I have set up on my system. So we have administration, pre-press, plates, printing, large format, finishing, and shipping. This page will vary depending on what departments you have set up on your system. The most important thing on this page is what is called the opening hours profile. The opening hour profile can be seen populated in every field here. These are these codes here: the N-9, N-16, N-12, and N-10. These are all what are known as opening hour profiles. Right now, I'm not able to edit these opening hour profiles because I have selected a date that is in the past and the day has already been completed. But if I go to any date after today is the 29th of September, and if I go to September 30th, I will be able to edit these profiles here on each of these fields. An opening hour profile is a code that indicates to the user the availability of a department or job. Here we can see a list of 4 opening hour profiles that are seen on the previous page. For example, this code N-10 indicates that a department with this profile assigned will have an availability of 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., meaning that any jobs within this department are available to be scheduled within this time frame. For example, N-12 indicates that jobs within the department with this code assigned will be available between 8:30 in the morning to 4 p.m. Here we can see, for example, the pre-press department has opening hour profile N-9, signaling that any pre-press jobs are available to be scheduled between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. As I said earlier, these profiles can be changed if you have selected a date in the future. Simply click the drop-down and choose an opening hour profile here. This will now change the availability for any job within the pre-press department. If you would like to create a new profile, simply select from full list and click New. When you create a new profile, you will be asked to create a code, a description, and of course, your normal time frame. Once this profile has been created, for example, we have created before this recording N-16, simply cancel, click the department that you wish to apply this profile to, and do exactly what I had mentioned earlier. Click the drop-down menu and select N-16. Again, this will signal that any job within, in this example, the printing department will be available to be scheduled between 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Some other key features in the opening hours setup that are important to know are the features under Navigate. Here is where we can change the dates that we see on the front page here. As you can see, the page will only populate the days within the current month. If you wish to schedule a day in the future and assign custom profiles, simply click Navigate and go to the month that you desire. For this example, I will go to December, and I will go down to December 25th, also known as Christmas. On this day, I did not want anything assigned, and so you can see here I have cleared the day of any profiles. Because there are no profiles in any departments, there will be no jobs that are running on this day. This is extremely important if your print shop is not operating on the weekends, and you need to make sure that there are no profiles selected on Saturday or Sunday. This will signal to PrintVis that there are no jobs available on these days.